Let's study numerical ability. A number is mathematical object used in counting and measuring. It is denoted by a group of digits called numerals. In our everyday life, we represent numbers by using 10 digits, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these numbers are called decimal numbers. It was taken from Hindu Arabic system. Now let's classify numbers. Numbers are two types of numbers we normally read: complex number and real number. Real number are of two types, that is irrational and rational numbers. Rational number are again divided into two parts, that is fraction and integer. Then fraction is again divided into three types, that is proper, improper and equivalent. And integer is of two types, that is whole and negative. And then whole is natural. It can be divided into even, odd, prime, co-prime, composite and perfect numbers. Whole number can be divided into two types, that is natural or zero. Okay, now come to let's know about real number. What do you mean by real number? Real number means it is defined as the set of numbers, all numbers that can be represented on the number line. A number line is a straight line with an arbitrary defined point 0. Means here is 0. Real number means all are real numbers, that is minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. To the right of this point lie all positive numbers, and to the left all negative numbers are there. Okay. So also every point on the number line represents a unique real number. Now come to rational number. What do you mean by rational number? A number is called a rational number if it can be written in the form of P by Q. That means P and Q, where P and Q are integers, Q is not equals to 0. Okay. So for example 1, 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, minus 2, 27 by 51, all are rational numbers. Now come to irrational number. Irrational number means a number is called irrational if it cannot be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are P and Q are integers and Q not equals to 0. For example, root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, like this, root 15, pi are irrational numbers. Pi means pi all are irrational number. Pi means 22 by 7 minus integers. The set of all natural numbers, 0 and negatives of counting numbers are called integers. Positive integers and negative integers. Positive means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, like this. These are all natural numbers and positive integers. Negative integers means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. All these like minus means negative integers. Non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means 0 is neither positive nor negative. Hence 0, 1, 2, 3 is the set of non-negative integer. Non-positive integers. What do you mean by non-positive integers? The 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 all are is the set of non-positive integers. Then come to fraction number. What do you mean by fraction? Fraction means it is defined as a part of an integer of the form p by q, where the integers p and q are called numerator and denominator respectively. Types of fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction means the numerator is less than denominator. That is proper fraction. And like it is a number between 0 and 1. For example, 3 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 8 by 9. Like this, these are all proper fraction. Let's come to improper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator is more than the denominator. For example, 7 by 3, 5 by 4, 11 by 9. Equivalent fraction. What do you mean by equivalent fraction? They are the fraction that have different numbers but the same value. If we multiply the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number non-zero, we can produce a fraction with different form but exactly the same value. Like 2 by 3 means 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 means equals to 4 by 6. If you divide 2 to then we will get 2 by 3. This is equivalent fraction. Whole numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers? All counting numbers together with 0 from the set of whole numbers. It can be expressed as W equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Natural numbers. The counting numbers are called as natural numbers. It can be expressed as n equals to 1, 2, 3 like this. Even number. Number with a number divisible by 2 is called as even number. Like 0, 2, 6, 4, 6, 8, 10, 9, 10 like this. All are even numbers. Odd number. What do you mean by odd number? A number is divisible by 2 is called an odd number. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are all odd numbers. What do you mean by prime number? A prime number is a natural number that can be divided without leaving any remainder by only itself and 1. A prime number has only two factors, itself and 1. For example, 2 can be divided without a remainder only by 2 and 1. So 2 is a prime number. Co-prime number. What do you mean by co-prime number? Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have any common factor other than 1. For example, the two numbers 6 and 25 are co-prime when they do not have any common factor other than 1. Factor means factors of 6 equals to 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 25 equals to 1, 5, 25. Here 1 is same and the numbers 6 and 25 are same. Others are not same. That's why these are co-prime numbers. 6 and 25 are co-primes, we can say. Now come to composite number. A number that has more than two distinct factors is called a composite number. In other words, all natural numbers other than prime numbers are known as composite numbers. For example, factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Since the given natural number 24 has more factors other than itself and 1, we can say that the given natural number 24 is a composite number. Perfect number. Let's come to know about perfect number. What do you mean by perfect number? A perfect number is a whole number, an integer greater than 0. And when we add up all of the factors less than that number, we get that number. For example, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. When we add 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 6. So this is the 6 is the perfect whole number. Let's comes to perfect square number. Let's know about perfect square. A perfect square is a number that can be written as a product of two equal factors. The whole number we consider are 1, 2, 3. Their squares are 1 square, 1 into 1 equals to 1. 2 into 2, 2 square equals to 4. 3 into 3, 3 square means equals to 9. Let's come to know about important facts about numbers. One is neither prime number nor composite number. 2 is only even number which is prime. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. The prime numbers up to 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. A pair of primes are said to be twin primes if they differ by 2. The integer 1 is co-prime to every natural number including itself. If p is a prime number and n is a prime to n is prime to p, then n to the power p equals to n is divisible by p. We can say it n is divisible by p. For example, p equals to 3 and n equals to 5. Then 5 to the power 3 minus 5 equals to 120, which is divisible by 5. If we add or subtract multiples of n, the result is a multiple of n. If n is a divisor of x and y, then n is divisor of x plus y. For example, 6 is the divisor of 18 and 24. Then 6 is a divisor of 18 plus 24 equals to 42. If a is a factor of b and b is a factor of c, then a is a factor of c. In other words, any integer is divisible by all of its factors and it is also divisible by all of the factors of its factors. For example, 72 is divisible by 12. Then 72 is also divisible by the factors of 12, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 72 also divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. All prime greater than 3 are of the form 6k minus 1 or 6k plus 1. For example, 29 is a prime and 29 is prime and can be written as 6 into 5 minus 1, and 37 is prime and can be written as 6 into 6 plus 1. These all are important facts about number system. Now number system completed. Thank you.